Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tab. If your window is corrupted, you are in the right place to fix the issue. So let's start without wasting our time, guys. So I have browse and goes to Microsoft, and they have provided the link to repair the Windows corruptions. So how to use this is very powerful, guys. So I have noted some commands from here. So let's start according to Microsoft's. So first command, this is the normal command, sfc space slash scan now. Everyone knows this and everyone use this command. So all the command you need to hit in the admin mode, right click and run as admin. Hit yes option when the prompt open. So first command you need to type here sfc space forward slash scan now. Okay, this will scan the Windows corruption file. sfc stands for system file checker, as well as this scans the Windows corrupted Windows files which loads the window and operate the Windows. So this is also very powerful. If somehow this is not working, throwing the error like couldn't repair anything on your Windows, so we need to type this command later on. DISM command, this is also very powerful. Deployment imaging services. Okay, again you need to open the CMD as admin mode, hit yes, but you need to make sure that this command should be completed first. This will goes to 100%. Okay, so I'm cancelling this to show you and hit this command. Just as you can see, deployment image servicing and management tool. So this will repair the Windows image files, and this will also go to 100%. If in many Windows I have seen that this command is also not working and it throws the error like 87 error or something error, and you are not able to run this command as well. So what to do in this case, guys? So we have the another command in this case. This is the source. We need to give him the source, but before giving the source here, guys, we need to have the ISO file. As you can see here, they have also mentioned here how to use the disk. You can see here. Okay, so this is the command. We need to, first of all, we need to download the ISO file. If you have, then well and good. If not, go to another tab, type there media creation tool, and if you are using the Windows 10, then, and if you are using Windows 11, so just hit this create Windows 10 installation media. Just hit this tool. If you are using the Windows 11, just download this tool. Just hit download, and once you downloaded that, guys, you just need to run it and make it the ISO file. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, you need to run it, hit yes option. Same with Windows 10, and if you are using the Windows 7 8, you can follow up this step, but you are not able to get the Windows 7 genuine ISO file this since that has been expired. So in here you just need to wait here and simply select terms and conditions here and select the ISO file instead of USB, just like this. I have already downloaded the Windows 11 ISO. Let me show you. You just need to download the Windows 11 or whichever you are using. As you can see here, Windows 10 and Windows 11 ISO. So once you have downloaded the ISO, okay, just go with next, and instead of USB just select the ISO and then hit next. It will automatically be downloaded. Okay, just you need to give the location. Let's say I'm giving the desktop location, save it. Now the process is begin, and this will take some time. So if you have already the Windows 10 ISO, as you can see here, so I'm cancelling this process. You just need to wait here, guys. So I have cancelled the process. So once you have downloaded the Windows 11, 10 or any other ISO file, you just need to right click on over there and click on mount. Open it. Now once you have mounted it, it will take another drive. As you can see here, it has taken E drive. So right click and simply open it. Once you have opened it, go to the sources folder, and in the sources folder, guys, as you can see here, we need to look for this. Okay, sources folder, and then we need to look for this install.esd or vim. Both are same. You just need to look for this vim. Okay, install.esd. Look for that option. Let's large. Okay, install.wim hi, as you can see here, install.vim I have. If you have install.esd, just hit that option, and both are same. As you can see, file size is also bigger, almost 5 GB here. So you need to replace the same extension with this. Okay, so I'm replacing it with the vim, and the source location, as you can see here, this is my source location. Just copy the source location and replace it from here. Source here, like this, Control V. Now sources is E inside sources, and just copy this. And if you don't have the internet, like this will also update your Windows, but if you don't want to update the Windows, just hit this extension here. Okay, let me show you. Vim space and this limited access. You need to use like this way. This will not update your Windows, but you can also go through with just this option. Okay, so both option you can try. If you have the no limit of internet, so look for this option. If you have the limited internet, look for this option. So just open the command prompt. Let me press here and then hit it. Now this time what this is going to do is, this is repairing your Windows from this ISO, and this is very genuine step to perform to fix any kind of Windows corruptions. So once this process is done guys, you just need to again run the sfc command here, and you will see all the Windows corruption will be fixed with using this command. You just need to only replace the sources, whatever sources you have. In my case I have source E. In your case it can be C or D, but you need to just replace the source here. Only the rest command will be same, and the limited access you need to add here if you don't have the internet, more internet. If you have the enough internet, just hit this. This will basically install the Windows update file also, so this is better. So go with this command and it will go to 100% as you can see here. So after applying this method guys, I'm pretty sure that your issue should fix. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Also you can join the membership.